You got the speakers and the mini amplifier, but when you saw all the connections you got scared because you don't know where to start? Don't worry, in this video I will show you everything you need for the installation and demonstrate you step by step the entire installation process. So without further ado, let's start! To start with the installation process, we need a mini amplifier, power supply, cables for the speakers, and RCA to 3.5mm jack. The tools we need are knife or dedicated tool like this wire stripper. In case you want to attach the amplifier to your table, you need 4 screws and a screwdriver or impact driver. Let's start the installation from the left side to the right side. Firstly, let's connect the RCA cables. Red to the red and white to the white. Now let's prepare the cables for the speakers. If you're using a knife, please be careful. I personally prefer using a dedicated tool, which makes the process much easier. Let's start by connecting the right side. Connect the copper cable to the red and the silver cable to the black, and repeat the process on the right speaker. Now let's prepare the cable also for the second speaker and connect the left speaker in the same way. Connect the power supply, and lastly let's connect the 3.5mm jack to our device. And we are ready to play music. I recommend you to organize all the cables and then connect the mini amplifier to the table. To watch the full review of the Lepy LP-2020A and listen to the sound test, check out the next video.